Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to group columns. So if you want to group columns, you can click columns like I will click from C into E and I will group this column. You can right click, go to view more column action and then use group column. So to be automatically grouped and you can minimize by clicking at this icon. I will create again from H into K, right click, and then you can choose view more column action, click on group columns, can minimize the column. So to maximize, you can click again this plus icon, and then if you want to remove this group, you can right click in these icons and then click remove group. Okay, that's it for a basic Google Sheet tutorial how to group columns. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.